out because yesterday was pouring rain. Tomorrow's going to be pouring rain. I'm probably going to do a time lapse of those clouds over there because that's killer. Look at that. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. Got a little composition here. The lovely mountains in the background there. You can see that. Yeah. Start recording on that. A little bit of water in the foreground. Some mountains in the background. Beautiful. This is what I'm looking at today. This is super nice. I'm going to walk over there first. See what's over there. Maybe get the drone in the air if I can. And probably come back to this one. You set up, do a time lapse here. Yeah, it's beautiful. This is Pitt Lake, lower mainland of BC. Beautiful, about half an hour, well, about 45 minutes outside of Vancouver. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Couldn't have asked for a better day. I'm genuinely surprised at the number of swans out here, like white swans. There's just tons of them, along with the Canadian geese, for sure, but I had no idea there were so many swans out here. And apparently they're all down there. I'm gonna head down there. This has been a really long walk. I mean, look at that. All the way back there. Really long walk. That's worth it. And look at the reflection on the water. Oh, that's just killer. Look at that. All these little birdies. Oh, that is so nice. Look at that. Look at that shot. That's crazy. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. And again, thanks for coming along with me. What else are you doing today? Going on a little walk with me. Out at Pitt Lake, BC. Beautiful. It's interesting how there's little houses. I don't know who lives here, if they're just maintenance buildings or... I mean, there's some boats over there. There's a house up on the thing behind those trees. There's a house thing building here. There's a road in behind here to get to it. This can't be the only access road. Oh well. No matter. We got stuff to do. I mean, come on, look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Hey, buddy. Didn't mean to scare the heron. He's hiding in the bushes there. Oh, look at that reflection. Oh, that is so good. Ooh, look at that. That is a picture in itself. I think I'm going to take that picture. Look at that. I'm going to put the camera down and take a picture. Alright, got the camera set up on the tripod doing time lapse of these lovely clouds over in the distance there, over the mountains. I got the reflection. You can see that. Reflection of the water. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. It's crazy. Got a heron over there. I don't know if you can see it far away because the GoPro doesn't zoom in. But I am having a great day out here. Look at this. I'm going to head down there later. See if we can get the drone up in the air, maybe over the pathway, over the water. The only thing is I kind of have to dodge people. There's some people over there that are coming this way. But they seem to be spread out enough, which is good. We'll let this time lapse go for 20 minutes. and then we'll head on to the next spot. We'll probably kind of in front of the storm drain where it's draining from the main lagoon here out to this other little secondary lagoon. That's okay. It was the only spot that had kind of a bit of a clearing there, so that's alright. But look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing. Alright, we'll see you at the next spot. Alright, walking down to our next spot. Down this cool path. Just finished doing a time lapse of those clouds over the mountains over there. Should turn out pretty good, hopefully. Shot for about 20 minutes. Should end up with like a 10 to 15 second time lapse. I'll put that up on the screen now, see how it turned out. Little waterway on the inside here. It's kind of neat. Seeing some ducks. I haven't really seen anything else. But we'll continue to walk down this way. See what we can find. Maybe get the drone following me in the air. I don't know. We'll see. Depends on how many people are around. I usually like flying it when there's people around, even if it is a small little drone. Alright, so we got a waterfall up there. I'm just getting some video of it. It's too glary. There it is there. Anyway, I'll put it up on the screen once I've done it. But yeah, this is my little setup here. I was just walking down the path and I heard some water, looked up, and there was a waterfall. Pretty cool. I was just walking down the path going to the next spot and noticed there's an even better view of those falls. I can't see it on the GoPro, but see if I can get it on there. No, too much glare. Too much glare. Maybe we'll have to get an anti-glare monitor. Anyway, they're up there. There's like a whole bunch of them too, which is cool. I'll throw that up on the screen. See how that turned out. I don't know if you caught that, but I think that was an owl. That was pretty cool. Just saw him on the tree, just turned the GoPro on. It's the only camera that I have immediately accessible, so I don't know, that's pretty cool. Just walking around this path here, going back to where we started. See what we can find. At this cool wildlife viewing platform. Gonna head on up and see what we can see. Have I mentioned how beautiful it is? Beautiful. So I seem to have made it to the deep dark woods portion of this path. I think this is the shortcut in between the two main bodies of water here. It's a very narrow, winding path. It's quite muddy, but that's okay. We got the proper wear on today. Some roots and some mud. A little bit of traversing. Never hurt anybody. That's my exercise for the day. As you can see, it just stretches on. But basically, it goes back to where the main parking lot is for this wonderful little regional park. So unless I see something super awesome to shoot on my way back to the parking lot, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.